Hey there, Grumpy Old Fart here. I'm doing a 3i Atlas update, the second update, because I did the one on 3i Atlas and then I did the update, and this is the second one, the second update, the third video. This is an alien activity video. This is actually, again, the third video that I've done on 3i Atlas because more strange stuff keeps coming out and much of it makes absolutely no sense. Check out my videos on the third visitor and the 3i Atlas update. NASA may very well be hiding some of the information they've discovered about this object. The James Webb Space Telescope and the Sphere X Observatory have both been trained on it, along with a bunch of other telescopes. This is what we know. 3i Atlas is traveling at 68 kilometers per second. That's like exorbitantly fast. And as I understand it, it's sped up without reason. I'll get to that in a minute. It has a CO2 gas plume that is unprecedented. The CO2 plume is half the size of the sun. It is losing water, H2O, at approximately 2.5 tons per minute. One would think it would run out. It developed a tail after entering our solar system, and at some point that tail was pointed towards the sun, which doesn't make any sense. Light is emanating from 3i Atlas. I talked about that in the second video. Might be the first one. Anyway, in one of the other videos I talked about that. 3i Atlas could be up to 45 kilometers in diameter. I read one article where it keeps changing shape, changing size, but I can't find any corroboration on that. So if somebody else has anything else, put it in the comments. The dust cloud from 3i Atlas is aimed at the sun instead of away from it. That's crazy. There are metallic signatures detected from 3i Atlas. It seems to be producing or shedding nickel without iron. As far as we know, that's not natural. That composition seems to be some sort of artificial metal. It seems to be emanating radio signals, too regular to dismiss as natural. They are pulses, rhythmic, consistent, and unmistakably structured. These pulses are startlingly similar to the Arecibo message that we sent out into space in 1974. 3i Atlas may very well be surrounded by smaller metallic objects. Yeah, the thing just keeps getting crazier. 3i Atlas's course was far too precise to be considered natural, and it decelerated without any known cause. It decelerated. I think I said accelerated earlier, but I didn't. It changed speed. It decelerated. 3i Atlas is continually and inexplicably changing color. A lot of scientists are thinking it may be because of different chemicals in the makeup. As it gets closer to the sun, these chemicals are being shed, and what's left changes color, and that may be so. But many scientists are saying it's not natural. And let's see. A new object has entered our solar system, and it appears to be on a collision course with 3i Atlas. The C2025R2 object is 100 times the size of 3i Atlas and has an unusually long tail. The Defense Intelligence Agency has ordered no government telescopes can observe either of the two during perihelion, and no reason was given for that. Perihelion is where it reaches its closest point towards the sun. As far as we know, it'll be on the other side of the sun. But here's another thing. 3i Atlas changed course and speed so that instead of a close flyby of Mars, it may very well impact the red planet. To do this, it defied gravity. Yeah. Its new course will bring it close enough to Mars to be affected by the Martian gravity and could very well be pulled into the surface. 3I Atlas is self-correcting its course and speed like a guided missile. This does not appear to be natural. If this other object is working in concert with 3I Atlas, it is possible that Mars could be being colonized. The reason I bring that up is 10 billion tons of heavily irradiated ice and dust with a metallic core about 400 meters across impacting Mars at 68 kilometers per second would be equivalent to 2 million megatons of TNT. The resulting crater would be 5 miles deep and throw tons of debris into space. There is no way to know how such an impact would affect other planets in our solar system, including Earth. Now, the fact that in colonization effort, that could very well be. The CO2 from 3I Atlas may be enough to revitalize the Martian atmosphere. I did a video, I've done a lot of videos about Mars. Mars is a weird planet. There is background radiation on Mars that, as far as we know, can only come from weapons, nuclear weapons fire, nuclear explosions. That being said, if this can revitalize the Martian atmosphere, this bigger object could very well be the colonists, or something to that effect. 3I Atlas does not have to hit Earth to lay waste to our planet. Hitting Mars with a sufficient explosion would certainly do the trick. That is a very disturbing thought. Alright, if you enjoy my content, it would really help me out if you could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share my content on all of your social media platforms, and post a comment or two. Remember, I welcome your comments, even if you disagree with me. And check me out over on Rumble for my political commentary and weekly current events. If you enjoy a good book, check out my author page on Amazon.com. My pen name is H.L. Anderson. You can find all of my books there, including the Devo Poland Chronicles. The third book in that series is just about to come out. The first one is Vanguard 1. The second one is Task Force Terminus. The third one is about to come out is Gulag of the Damned. It is a study of humanity from an alien perspective. If you enjoy science fiction, this is for you. I hope you go to my author page and find something you like, and I hope you do enjoy it. This is all I got for this one. I hope you folks have a good one. God bless one and all.